Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to restore playlist on Spotify. So how to restore playlist on Spotify? The first thing you need to do is open up to Spotify. So I'm gonna give you an example when I delete my playlist. For example, right here, I'm gonna delete my playlist right here and click here, delete. There you go. Then confirm your delete. There you go. Now it is gone. So to bring it back or to restore it, first thing you need to do, go to your profile right here and click it. After clicking on that, click on account. After clicking on account, you'll be redirected to Spotify account. There you go. Once you're here, at account, you will see recover playlist. Just click on recover playlist. After doing so, you will see here all the deleted playlists. As you can see, here is my deleted playlist. And then to restore it, just click restore. And there you go. That's how you restore your playlist. And a little tip, if you deleted your playlist, for you guys, if you deleted it in 90 days, it will not be able to come back to you. But my tip is when making a playlist, just make another playlist for that playlist. So yeah, for example, I'm gonna show you an example right here. I made a playlist random songs 4, but my random songs 4 is the same as random songs 3. So there you go. So if ever I deleted one of them, I will still have another copy. And if I don't like the other copy anymore, I can just delete it and then they're all gone. So yeah, that's how you restore your playlist in Spotify. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys like the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.